Amazing floor plan in this cottage. Private office with half bath. Open eat-in kitchen with island, quartz, stainless appliances and walk-in pantry. Living room features fireplace, no natural gas on site. Master suite on main level with laminate floors, walk-in custom closet, freestanding tub, and tiled shower. Wood tread stairs. Upstairs second guest bedroom boasts a huge walk-in closet. The Cottages at Townsend is tucked away yet convenient to town and I-24.